Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Ann Borja, 48 years old, high school graduate, married, having 4 children. Ages are 28, 20, 18, and 14. My working experience are first, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia from 2015 to 2017. Three-story house having 6 rooms and 5 toilets. 6 family members, Madam and Sir, their children, 4 children, ages are 24, 22, 16, and 8 years old. My duties and responsibilities are all around house cleaning and taking good care the youngest daughter, 8 years old. Giving, giving, giving her all her needs in the school, preparing all the meals for her, pick up and send her in the school, play with her. My second country is Macau, China. From 2018 to 2020. Uh, one, one flat condo unit having 6 family members, Madam and Sir, Grandma, and their cousin. 2 children, ages 2 years old, and the newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are all around house cleaning and taking good care the 2 years old and the newborn babies. My last country is Hong Kong, China. One one flat condo unit from March 2024 to February 2026, having 4 family members, Madam and Sir, and the one twins newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are all around house cleaning and taking good care the twin babies. Please, Mom and Sir, choose me as your good and trusted helper. I promise to take good care of your family and treat them as my family. You can trust on me. I'm focused on my work. I always follow instruction from my employer. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye bye. See you soon.